by a transversal with the two given lines are parallel, then prove that the given lines are parallel. Wow, wonderful question. Let us draw two coplanar lines. Coplanar lines means the lines belonging to the same plane. Okay. Now we are going to take a transversal. That's fine. Now according to the question, the bisectors of a pair of alternate angles. Okay. What are alternate angles here? This angle and this angle are alternate interior angles, or these two angles. So I will take this pair, one pair I am taking. Now according to the question, we need to go for the bisectors. Okay. This is the bisector and this is the bisector. Basically, according to the question, these two bisectors are parallel. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that these two lines are parallel. Okay. Let me name the lines now. A, B, C, D, E and F. Now EF intersect AB at a point P and CD at a point Q. PM is the bisector, QM is the bisector. So basically these two angles are equal now and these two angles are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. PM is parallel to QN and PQ is the transversal. Can I write angle 2 is equal to angle 3? Can I write? Can I write angle 2 is equal to angle 3?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, we can write it.
Yeah, because this angle and this angle forms alternate interior angles, na? So these two angles are equal. Why? Alternate interior angles. But what is angle 2? It is half of angle APQ. Yes or no? Yes. Half of angle APQ. What is angle 3? It is half of angle PQD. Now cancelling half on both sides, we will get angle APQ is equal to angle PQD. What are those angles? What are those angles? What is APQ and what is PQD? What are those angles? Anyone?
Sir, the angles which have been bisected.
No. What? I'm talking this angle.
Angle 1 plus angle 2 and is equal to angle 2 plus 3 plus angle 4.
That is okay, beta. What am I telling? Angle APQ is equal to angle PDQ we got. What are those angles called? I am asking.
Alternate interior angles.
That's good. So we got a pair of alternate interior angles and they are equal we got. Now what is the basic theorem on parallel lines? If two lines intersected by the transversal such that alternate interior angles are equal, then the lines will be parallel now. It is a theorem, right? Yes or no? Guys, come on, respond. Yes or no? Arnav? Sahas?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So here, pair of alternate interior angles are equal we got. So what can we conclude? Lines are parallel. Okay. Copy up to here, Nana. Make it fast. Make it fast, beta. Write down. But these angles are alternate interior angles, but these angles are alternate interior angles formed, alternate interior angles formed when AB and CD, when AB and CD, when AB and CD intersected by the transversal EF, intersected by the transversal EF, such that they are equal, Next line. Therefore, the lines are parallel. Therefore, the lines are parallel. That is AB parallel to CD. Hence proved. Hence proved. Okay. Sahas, did you understand now? Sahas, please respond to my questions. Good. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 5. Yeah. Again, this is a wonderful question. In the given figure, PQ and RS are two plane mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at a point B. The reflected ray moves along the path BC and strikes the mirror RS at a point C and again reflects back along the direction CD. Now we have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. Okay, let's see. These are the two plane mirrors placed in such a way that they are parallel to each other. Now, one ray AB and it reflects back in this direction and again moves back in this direction. Basically, what we have to do, we have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. Can you tell me how to solve this problem? Any idea? Is lines and angles chapter completed in the school?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I think you might have learned this problem.
Sir, the incident ray equals to reflected ray.
Yeah, incident ray is equal to reflected ray, that is correct only. But directly you cannot write this angle is equal to this angle. Na? So basically we have to go for one construction, that is draw BM perpendicular to PQ and draw CN perpendicular to RS. Now here we will get 4 different angles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will say that angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Why? Because BM is perpendicular to PQ, CN is perpendicular to RS, and PQ and RS are parallel to each other. So naturally, the perpendiculars drawn to the parallel lines are parallel to each other. So BM will be parallel to CN. Now if BM and CN are parallel, BC will act like a transversal. If BC is the transversal, then which angles are equal over there? Only consider this figure. BM and CN are parallel and BC is the transversal. Now which angles are equal over there? Angle 2 will be equal to angle 3 because they are alternate interior angles. Okay, chalo. Let's use this concept and solve this problem. Draw. Let up. This is question number 5. Solution. Very important for 4 marks. Please concentrate. Draw BM perpendicular to PQ, comma, CN perpendicular to RS. But PQ is parallel to RS. Therefore, BM is parallel to CN. Okay. Now, BM is parallel to CN and BC is the transversal. And BC is the transversal. Therefore, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Why? Alternate interior angles, mark it as equation 1. But angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Mark it as 2. From 1 and 2 we get angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Mark it as equation 3. Please copy up to there and make it fast. But angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Since angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. From 1 and 4 we get one is angle 2 is equal to angle 3, 4 is angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So from these two equations what do we get? Angle 2 will be equal to angle 4. Mark it as equation 5. Now let us add equation 1 and equation third equation and fifth equation let us add. Adding 3 and 5. Adding the equations 3 and 5 we get angle 1 plus angle 2 will be equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. What is angle 1 plus angle 2? Angle ABC. What is angle 3 plus angle 4? Angle BCD. So basically what did we get? We got that alternate interior angles are equal. If alternate interior angles are equal, we can conclude that the lines are parallel. Khalas. Please copy up to there. Write down. But these angles are alternate interior angles. But these angles are alternate interior angles. But these angles are alternate interior angles formed. Alternate interior angles formed when AB and CD are intersected by the transversal BC. Once again I repeat, but these are alternate interior angles formed when AB and CD are intersected by the transversal BC and they are equal. Next line. Hence the lines are parallel. Hence the lines are parallel. Last line write down. Therefore, AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD, hence proved. AB parallel to CD, hence proved.